Hello, today I'm going to show you some tools and tricks for using Kids InfoBits. For our project, we are going to use this animal box, and then we're going to go to bugs and worms. These are all the bugs and worms listed on the Kids InfoBits website. And if you wanted to hear what the name of the bug or worm was, all you have to do is click the speaker and it will read it out loud to you. I'm going to click on ants. And over here on the right side, it tells you all the content types available on Kids InfoBits about ants. There are 16 books, 1 biography, 23 pictures, 192 magazines, and 19 news stories. There's also the option to search within your results. I would also like to highlight this content levels key. Kids InfoBits is designed for elementary age students and offers following content levels: green level 1, light blue level 2, dark blue level 3, purple level 4, and red level 5. I'm going to go back to my results, and I would like to study this article about ants, and I can see by hovering over this, it is level 2 lifestyle measure, and I'm going to click on that. And on the top, it says what year this was written, 2012, in the lifestyle measure, and it was updated last March 1st, 2014. There are several tools that can help the user on this page. One is the listening option, which will read the full text out loud if students have trouble reading to themselves. And there's also the option to make the text bigger or as small as the user desires. And over here, there are citation tools. This is automatically generated in MLA 8th edition, but there are also APA and Chicago options. I can send this article to my Google Drive and it will automatically appear in a folder labeled Kids InfoBits. I have the option to print the article. I also have the option to email myself the article or download it as a PDF to my computer. Another tool that would be helpful for multilingual users is this translate article. And these are all the languages that this article can be translated into. So if I scroll down to the body of the article, I can click on a word that is highlighted in red and have the option to highlight or add notes. So I'm going to highlight this sentence because I think it's interesting. I can choose my color and I'm going to take a note. It says, cool. And I'm going to save that. And when I'm done reading throughout the whole article, I can go up to my highlights and notes and I can see what I thought was important and what I said about it. So here are some cool tools that I think that are important for Kids InfoBits. I hope you enjoyed them.